Number 20, second personal foul, first team foul. Unang foul bukas daw. Number 7, pass number 4, pass number 2. Buhay ito, pass number 4, pass number 5. Tumira 7, now ay number 8. Number 3, tumira na 3. It's double now ay number 2, pass number 7, now ay number 3. Number 3, tumira it's double now ay number 2, pass number 4. Number 4. Tumawa na board.
Exhibition.
Number 8. Ang bola. Pass to number 16. 16 pass to number 8. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Tumira. In double. Outside. Number 8, nagkadala ng bola. Pass number 2, foul. Number 20, third personal foul. Second team foul.
Simula na. Sisimula na nila. Score ko na.
Back to the ball game. Number 13, pass number 92, pass number 13, number 8. Tumira into lumalaki na po ang halang ng PLDC. Number 7, number 8, pass number 9, tumira into number Tumege. Uy, it's good. Ang oras, 6 minutes and 40 seconds to play. Number 3. Number 3, nakukulang in number 3 going number 7. Foul, number 30. Number 30. First personal foul. Third, foul. Number 4. Number 4. Foul by number 4. Pass number 2, pass number 13. Number 18, pass number 19, pass number 17. Now 6, outside. No, second shot back. 3 points, 3 points. Four, second shot back. Tumira ulit, double. Nakuha. Number 9, nagbawa ka ng bola. Number 9. Number 9, pass, one. Number 1, tumira ng 3, double, number 5. Number 22, pass number 3. Pass number 4, is good. Ang score, 54-61. Takbo. Insert up. Kaya inawa na ilalim ng tergal. Order para pasa ng isawa na ilalim ng natin ng Number 8, Tumira into insert shot. Number 4, pass number 13. 4 minutes sakto. Iti, Kevin Yata. Kevin Yata. Tumira into nakuha ka rin number 4, Tumira into nakuha nito. Number 9. Number 5, nagbawa ng bola. Foul, number 30. Number 30, second personal foul, walking or penalty. Insert. Sabi. Number 4. Stop. Ang oras. Number 31, pass to number 4. Number 4, pass to number 30. Pass to number 32. Then, Ganda! Tumira, trouble. Ang oras, 2:55. Now, pass to number 30. Tumira, 2. Ang oras, 1 minute and 50 seconds. Foul, number 21. Penalty. Second person foul, penalty. Sublet.
Okay na yan. May live naman ako dito. Panoorin mo lang.
Sublet. Number 31, magbaba ng bola. 31, pass number 33, number 9, pass number 26. Tumira, 2. Outdoor, 64-72. Of course, TLB. 30, pass number 4. Pass number 17. Pass number 5. Pass number 4. Number 8. Pass number 9. Tumira, 10. Trouble dari number 10. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Foul. Number 1. Penalty. Number 22. First person foul. Penalty. He steps up. And shoots. Sublet. Ang oras, 1 minute and 7 seconds. Number 31, number 3. Pass to number 4. Pass to number 10. Tumira, 2. Ang oras, 55 seconds to play. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 8. Double. Out of the 47 to 2. Number 4, pass number 8. Foul, number 31. 31, second personal foul. Third personal foul. Penalty. Oras, 35 seconds to play.